Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create digital products in Canva. So let's just say if you wanted to sell a digital product on Gumroad, then you can use Canva. So create an account, go to create a design, and then here you have to search, for example, PDF or let's just say ebook. You will be selling ebook in Gumroad. So you just have to select that one. It will take you directly to this. You have to tap on design and then look for its specific keyword, or let's just say you will be selling kids story in Gumroad. So all you have to do is go to design, search for that specific, template that you want. And then once done, you can go to elements and then search for images or graphics that you want to add. If you want to change something here in your cover page or even in your ebook. Okay, so basically you can go to elements, search for that specific keyword, and then add that graphic right here or element right here. Once done, you can add your name. After, you can change the title and then tap on add page. In the add page, you can select or you can duplicate this one. You just have to delete other elements like the title. Okay, you can also resize the graphic or the rabbit right here or bunny right here, and then add a text box where you can add your story. You can ask ChatGPT to help you generate or create a kid story. It should be about a poor bunny, and then ChatGPT will generate or create a kid story about the poor bunny. And all you have to do here is just copy and then paste it in your Canva. So you can change the font style, font size, you can add effects, you can add more elements, you can change the color, the background if you want right here. You can resize this one. So everything is up to you. Now, if you want to add another page, just tap on add page or duplicate this one, and then same thing, just go to Canva, copy and paste. As easy as that. Now, if you want to change or delete elements right here, you just have to click and then delete, or you can export to some features here, and I strongly suggest to use the Canva Pro. After that, once done, then you can just basically tap on the share button at the top, and then you have to make sure that this one is PDF. And then once you have downloaded this as PDF, you have to go to Gumroad and then sell this digital product here. So basically, that's how easy it is. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.